Now the rear wall template. This is the only thing I need this for. If you were doing an exhaust through the wall, you could use it for that as well. I have to cut along the edges here in order to make it fit. It's just how they do it. I don't know why. Now we're going to center this between the cabinets. You can mark a center line if you want to. I'm just going to hold it where there's an even gap on either side. I'm going to mark the recommended locations here. So because I like to measure, that's what I'm going to do on the template first. And then I go over to the microwave. The bracket is installed on here already. So I'm going to hook on the bottom. And up to the top is just about 16 3/8. Check the other side. I think that's what we'll do for the bottom, 16 3/8. I'll hold it to the bottom of the cabinet, 16 3/8. And then on this side, 16 3/8. Take these screws out. I don't need those. It's hooked on the bottom. I'm just going to tilt it up. There we go. We're going to mark center. So now I'm going to put this up there, put it on my lines, see how close their recommended spots are. Make sure we center it. I know that I have a stud right here. So I'll come down here. This is where it was before. I'm going to go right here. And then there is a stud over here. Let's see, right there. So we're going to put one right here. They want you to put at least one into a stud on either side of the center line. So further over here, that's great. And then right here, that is past the center line. So what we'll do is put a toggle bolt right here, an A. So stud, stud, toggle. I'll drill this out for the toggle bolt. I'm going to put my toggle bolt in here where I marked that, and then put this on. And then I have these two that came with this. That'll go into the studs. I'll put this side in, the toggle bolt. And that's basically a one-time use, so make sure you know where it's going. And I'll actually tighten it, because I got a pull on the bracket. Okay, and now I can center this again and put it on my marks there and install these screws. And this is a number 3 Phillips. It will help out a lot. You could get it in with a number 2, but it's a little bigger. Definitely hit a stud. Back that out a little bit, so that way we can adjust. And then the stud over here. Just checking this, my 2-foot level. I think we're good. I can tighten these up. So I have my toggle bolt here. I have one into a stud right here. I have another screw into a stud over here. And I could put another one here, but I used my toggle bolt. I think this is going to be plenty strong, so I'm not worried about it.